Hello and welcome to ButtonUp.tech, where we help make sense of the digital world. Today, ButtonUp explains social engineering. What we'll cover today. First, we will define social engineering and discuss how it can affect you. Next, we will describe how social engineering occurs and how to recognize it. Finally, we will explore who and what these attacks target. Social engineering refers to ways hackers leverage psychology and societal norms to gather information. This information helps them exploit accounts, systems, or organizations. Hackers use social engineering to learn more about you, your associates, organizations, or specific, often influential people. This helps them persuade you or others to provide additional information or take actions that put you or them at risk, aiding the hacker in committing fraud. Social engineering can occur through multiple vectors. The four primary techniques used in phishing attacks are impersonation, phishing, smishing, and vishing. Let's examine each of these attack vectors more closely. When an attacker wants access to something, they may use a technique called impersonation to try to get it. The attacker researches a person who should have access to information or resources they want. Then, they attempt to impersonate them. A common method uses email to impersonate the CEO or another executive of an organization. The attacker identifies a legitimate email address, then creates a fake, but similar-looking address they can control. Phishing techniques involve attempts to get a person to divulge information they would not normally be comfortable sharing. These attacks occur when an attacker uses email messages to trick the recipient into clicking links, opening attachments, or calling phone numbers that will encourage them to share their personal information including credit card numbers, sign-in credentials, or other personally identifiable information. Smishing occurs when an attacker leverages SMS messages to trick unsuspecting message recipients into clicking dangerous links or sharing information. An attacker can send you a text message that appears to be from a number you know, such as a parent, sibling, or close friend. The recipient may not realize the messages are illegitimate. In other cases, short codes might be used. Short codes are 5-digit numbers companies use to simplify message services. This can add legitimacy to an attack. Since few people know the SMS short codes associated with a business, they probably will not notice when a fake sending address is being used. Phishing attacks leverage phone systems to collect information from a person or organization. In a common phishing scheme, a caller claims to be from the recipient's financial institution and tells the person their account has been compromised or frozen. The caller states that the person must provide personal or account information to verify the account and have it restored. Phishing attacks leverage the same techniques as other social engineering attack vectors, but can be especially dangerous because many people feel more comfortable sharing information by phone than through email or by websites. All of the techniques mentioned above can be methods used by a social engineer to convince unsuspecting people that they need to share personal information, make payments, or cooperate with a social engineer. Impersonation, phishing, smishing, and vishing can be combined together to make an attack more effective and to create the illusion of credibility. Understanding how these attacks occur, the information that makes them successful, and where to look for them can help you avoid falling victim to them. For more information, check us out on the web at buttonup.tech, or join us on Facebook and Twitter.